outside, don't you? It's nice out. Oh, take him? He's getting heavy because you don't have the pillow. Okay.
Mom, you know what?
My hair is like
This is such a cool video, man.
Wait a minute.
I just made another home video of you guys hanging outside. I could be like, now I can tell them Niha Maushi and Laila Tai and Anjali Tai all outside on what dates? What's today's date? July 20. Oh, it has the time in here. July 27th. Hey, Anjali, I see you. I'm taking a picture of you taking a picture. Yay! Say hi, Sachin.
Hey yo.
Say hey, yo.
I'm taking a picture of my cousin now.
Your cousin.
Yeah. Who? This
He's
baby
having a
on
good time.
YouTube, there were grown-ups around her, but no one was holding her, so she was rolling on the grass and she ate the grass. But she didn't know what it was.
It's so hot that you haven't been able to sit outside much, right?
Oh my gosh, it's really nice out. You're right. I just realized that.
What did she do? She ate it. She actually ate it. What else did she do after? They all laughed. And then the video ended.
Hey, Lila, say hi.
Hi, so what are you doing? Ha!
Everyone's gonna see this.
Cancel that, please.
Cancel that, please. Okay, that was funny.
I don't know what I just did.
Okay.